Now on the left-hand side, I want to add a new section directly underneath my featured collection. To do this, I'll click on Add Section. Then I'll add a rich text section. You'll see that populate here on my website. Now, the only thing I want to keep in this rich text section is the heading. So I'll remove the text and button label. To remove this, I'll click on the blue pop-up here. Then I'll click on the red trash can icon. And I'll repeat this step for the text as well. Now I want to change the heading text. I'll click into it. And on the top right, I'll change this to read Our Best Sellers. Then I'll go back down to the rich text section and click into it. And I'll change the color scheme here to Scheme 3. Now let's add another section back on the left-hand side. So I'll click on Add Section underneath, and then I'll click on Featured Product. We'll see that populate underneath our rich text section. And on the right-hand side, let's change the product to actually be a product on our website. I'll click on Select, and then I'll find the Golden Mom Tee. Let's select this here, and you'll see our product populates on our featured product section. The only thing I want to do here is remove the Printify text. To do that, I'll click on the blue pop-up and then the red trash can icon again. Now you can add as many featured products or collections to your homepage as you'd like, but I think I'm happy with this. Now that we're done, one more time, let's navigate to the top right-hand side and click on Save.